In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change theme on Deepseek. You can change it to dark mode or light mode in a super simple way. Let's get started. First, open the Deepseek app. Tap on the top left corner on this and tap on your profile. Here you can see looks. Click on it and choose light mode. For now, let us keep dark. Super simple. Now go back. And that's it. Your Deepseek app is now in a dark mode. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.